What are you making?
Shelf.
This little bit C4 looks like 6 meters.
Yep. Whoa. Set it in. Precision.
But then you can put a fair bit of weight on this one. Change legs.
So well.
What do jellyfish have?
What? Tentacles.
Are they tentacles?
Or are they legs?
No, they're tentacles.
Or are they arms?
No.
No, they're tentacles.
Imagine if they could wave their arms around.
No, they're tentacles.
I'd invite them to all my parties. Do that. Is there a tenement?
Tentacles.
They all
Tentacles.
tickle? Yeah, they grow back. If a tentacle, if they lose a tentacle and they're only a nine-ticle for a while, they grow back.
Tentacles.
Tentacle. 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 Tentacle.
Nine-ticle.
Tentacle. Tentacle. Tentacle.
Nine-ticle.
Tentacle. Tentacle. Tentacle.
Nine-ticle.
Or their legs. I'd invite them to all my parties. I think that's all. Right now. Good luck. Better? Much better. Alright. Where are we starting this in the video?
This is at the start.
At the very start.
Yeah.
So I should say welcome.
Yeah.
Good morning. Welcome back. Imagine if overseas people, so this is way off topic. When I watch overseas YouTube, right, they always say, like, it's always different to when I watch it. They say good morning, but it's night time. It sort of, it really grinds my gears.
So we say good morning, good evening, and good morning.
How are you all going? Good evening.
There we go.
I'm good, how are you? What are you doing? No, I'm busy. What do you want? Yeah, can I talk about this first and then I'll come over?
What are you talking about?
I haven't even started yet.
You let me know.
Yeah, I will. I'll be over there in a jiffy. Oi, Sam could help you.
What?
Oh, old Juddy needs a hand making some things. Needs a few little things made for his hoist. Yeah.
Mate.
Made.
I'm not a fabricator.
Full Sam fabricates its lies.
Hey, what? Good lunchtime. Good morning. How are we? Erics Evo is... It's been here for a while. It's just we've been waiting on things, right? This isn't one of the things we're waiting on. This rocked up with the car. Full Tomei exhaust system for this Evo. The actual dump is stainless, but we'll end up making a new dump anyway to suit the rest of the titanium. It's got the catch cam mounted. Made a start on the cold side intercooler pipe. We are going Plasma Man quick clamps on this whip that you see behind me. Wing. Wang? Big wang. Big wang with an A. Wang dang. It does have a big wang dang. Wait, what are your thoughts on that wing and the other wing? And the other yellow one? What do you want? What would you rather? Leave in comments below what you would prefer.
A or B?
A or B. Or either. SR20. Imagine putting SR20 in the boot. Anyway, Tomei. It comes very nice. It does, I must say. The packaging is quite beautiful to look at. It even comes with toothpaste. Tomei paste. Tomei toothpaste. That there has its ticket of authentication. So does that one. So does the Recaro. The middle two are questionable. Grady and Apexi. You know what we should do? We should peel off one of them, the Apexi one, and put Brembo on it. Because it's got Brembos. Makes sense, eh? I'll have a word with Eric. Tomei, we're going to put that up. And then, because we are running 6-boost manifold, G-Series Garrett, etc., nothing's factory. So dump pipe will have to be custom, and then we've got to add, I think we're running 50 mil, don't hold me to it, because Stuart will get up me. 50 mil external gate, I'm going to make it external. And because this is the start of the video and I haven't started yet, we're going to leave it at that. And hope you liked the last episode.
How much pounds is this?
Thank George. I can't tell you that. I'll get a bit of insight. Psst, Stewie, how much is this going to make? about 600-700 horsepower, they reckon. So looking forward to see some numbers, and happy today. Who knows what day it is. Holy damn, look at that dirty little dog parked up over there.
Wow, is that one of those cash guys?
Cash for scrap. So we figured that we don't do enough work around here, so we'd get a second hoist and put it in this workshop, which was meant to be storage, but now it's a workshop and storage because that's what's behind me now. Huh. Holy. I haven't been in here for a while. How'd you get the pallets up there? That's how you got the pallets up there. Does it not go higher? Now that I know all of this is here, so much of next door is coming here. We can align all your needs. Juddy, would you like to talk about this machine I'm standing on? Me, bro, you got me to come over here to help you, and you want George to do content. George, I'm going. I'm going, George. I gotta go. All I do is help them. They can't even talk to the boys. Is it still there? Hasn't gone anywhere?
No, they meant to move.
True, where are they moving to? Pretty sure it's bolted down, isn't it? Yeah, it is. The whole hoist is bolted.
What's it?
George is laughing it up, George.
She didn't say anything to you.
Yes, she did.
Accurate, repeatable results. Look at that.
Wow.
Wow, that's accurate and repeatable. Step one, cut your piece of steel.
It's sleazy.
Step one, cut your piece of steel to 165 mil long. Step two, shove it in your poorly. Step two, shove it in your poorly made jig. Step three, put the other half on. Step four, put it in the vise, line it up-ish. Don't get your finger is. Step five, tighten it up in the vise till the bottom's out, which is there. Step 6 or 7?
6.
Step 6, pull it out.
That's like the second step.
Step 7, put it back in. Just to get that last little bit of squish. Step 7, see how it kicks out there? So that's step 7. Then step 8 is to stick it back in here on its own to straighten it back out to 90 degrees. I always go too far. That's it, 8 steps, boom. And you've got yourself a simple,
One-off instrument that's never used for anything else in the whole entire world.
accurate, repeatable results in minutes.
What do you think of Sam's brackets?
I think it's good. I think it's fantastic. I think it's evolution in the process.
Speed run? I just clonked myself on the hoist. No, I don't need to.
What, that one hanging down?
I'll lynch it
That
after.
one hanging down, like ask him.
Can't talk, speed running.
Okay, sir.
I'm the wrong way around. This is a school zone, sir.
Slow down. Kick the skids, not the kids.
That's a pretty good slogan. You come up with that yourself?
It was on a big street sign out in front of school saying, hit the kids, kids, not
Hit this.
someone.
It's the one. It's the one in Gary Junction, I believe.
Yeah, that's the one.
I always see Sam signs and I think it's funny because my name's Sam.
Time sticking, Sam. No time for stories.
Done.
Mum.
It's pretty sick, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is going in there. And that. Oh, see you later. Alright. All it's got to do is just... Oh, it'll go. Just got to move those hoses. Back with you in a moment.
A few moments later.
Also stays up there. What we're going to do is take one of the fans out and put it back in afterwards. We'll be back.
A few moments later.
Just scoot that past there. Get that fly off my hand. Wow, my brackets. Wow, my brackets. We got Chris's Falcon Barra. I think it makes 900 something ish. What's this make? 900? Good chat. Makes 900, I think. So we've done a few things. Daniel's been doing a few things of it. Obviously, we've got the intercooler piping, intercooler, that dump pipe back there. And he made a fan shroud for it, so we put AU fans in this thing as well. So we did put AU fans in his partner's X something Falcon a while ago, the pink one. So you can insert that there. That one's done and running and all over the place and working really good. So we have got it in there. It is in and it does fit. The only thing we're going to have to do is just notch the front panel here to actually square the radiator up. So then that'll square the radiator up a bit and give us just ever so slightly more clearance that we need down there. So fans are in, the brackets are on, the brackets fit. I just can't believe how accurate and repeatable it was. On to Daniel.
Tom, do you?
I've seen Pee-wee 50s.
Why has this one got this mad shape to it?
So it looks pretty.
Really? Interesting.
Don't know. I'm sure there's a reason. I know what the reason is after looking at it for half of a second. Have another look and tell me what you think that shape.
Don't know. Wouldn't be for the bolts.
No, it wouldn't be so you can get the bolts
not
out.
at all. I think it's aerodynamic.
Okay, yeah.
It allows.
It's not so that you can get these bolts out.
No, not at all.
No, right.
No,
Yeah.
not at all.
It's fair.
It's not even tape. There's tape. It's a measuring instrument. A flexible measuring instrument. Yeah. For all the dresses I make. Yeah.
What are you going to work?
Well, we're here today or on the weekend. Which work? I got 2 jobs. I make dresses and I fabricate stuff.
What kind of dress are you making?
Fabric one. 500 a count Egyptian cotton dress. This is far from Egyptian cotton. It's actually an exhaust. Can you tell? See that? See where you don't get any. The whole way here, and we can get such an accurate measurement of how much fabric has to be removed. We had to hem it up a bit. What has happened there? That f***s with my instrument. But right now, what we have going, this has nothing to do with this. Thanks for tuning back in. He's angry. He's so angry all the time. Hi, Brayden. No, it's okay. Just don't let it happen again. Thank you. Tomei X Prime. So it's a Supreme exhaust system by Tomei.
Did they do a collab with Supreme?
They must have. This is a very expensive exhaust. These carrying on next door. They're your mates. They'd have to be.
I thought they were yours.
They work in your workplace, not mine. I don't see them in here. And when I do, it's in and out and they just give me more work. No, they're alright, for a bunch of pelicans. Why do they call it a pelican? Not a pelicope, don't. Evo. We're back on the Evo. We finished up the exhaust. It's all, no, you want to go to the back of the car now because it's not finished, so they could like, it clearly says not finished. And I said, clearly you need to get some glasses. I'll take that off because that looks a bit inappropriate right now, doesn't it? Yeah, as I said earlier, we've full Tomei system got dropped off with the car. It is a titanium system. Made for an Evo, obviously, Daniel. We did have to, because it's got a 6-boost Mini and new Garrett turbo upgrade, we had to modify the dump pipe that come with it. I'd say 3/4 of the exhaust is titanium. The front half is actually stainless, so we just, instead of making a whole new front dump suit, the titanium exhaust, turned out rather nice and just how it all happened. I had to do a little lobster, a little bit of a, as you can see over there, but we're over here because that's finished. This is the finished product. That was when it was not finished, which now it all fits up. It's finished, George, and everyone watching. It's all done and dusted. Just like as it is Friday today, so therefore we're wrapping this show up. I hope you've had a good week. I hope you people on the other side of the world are having a good night. See, now it's even worse. I can't even put, have a good Friday, in case these international people are watching. Actually, if yous are watching, if Jimmy Oakes watches this, put an SR20 in your Porsche, bro. Word. Do something for the boys. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe. And you stay out of trouble. I need to say goodbye to the boys. Bye, and girls. Here, dear.
Bye.
Hooroo. Oh, I've got to put my touch on it, right? So I fucking touched it.